Hello, good day. In today's video, I'll be demonstrating some issues I've been having with this Fimi X8 Mini. First of all, I've been having an issue with the gimbal calibration. Basically, the gimbal itself, the roll motor on the gimbal itself has ceased to work, and that is the reason why I'm not able to calibrate the camera anymore. That's one problem. Second problem, I did have a compass calibration issue, but it is something that, depending the area where I am, either it works or it doesn't. So it's kind of a toss-up. So that's another issue that I had. Third issue that I had was losing connection between the app between the phone and the controller. I'll explain to you what goes on. First of all, what I'll do is I'm going to start up the drone. As you can see, I do have an issue with the camera because the gimbal itself just gets stuck in that position, or if I move it like that, it stays in that position, and it's very, very stiff. So that was one issue. The second one was the compass calibration that I talked about, but I'm not going to be showing that right now. That will be on another video. What I'm going to show you is the connection between the drone and the app. So what we're going to do first is start off, first what I'm going to do is just connect this first. Let's start this up, and before I do, I'm going to make sure, let's bring up the contrast. We'll also do a screen recording. 1, 2, 3. Let's go, baby. Great. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to connect the connector to the phone on this end, and then on the other end, I don't usually do it this way, but because of I'm doing a video, so I'm going to do it this way. So I'm going to connect it like this. Okay, it's connected. I'll go ahead and insert the phone into the slot there. I'm gonna open up the controller. The controller, as you can see, we have 3 LED lights, which we have 3/4 battery. So I'm gonna turn it on. Okay. So now that it's turned on, it should have automatically opened up the app, but it didn't. But we're gonna do that. Another thing I forgot to mention, it's not only the FPV loss, it's also that the drone itself is not able to record any flight logs. Basically, every time I go into the flight log and to verify what kind of flights that I achieve every time I flew, I see nothing. So we'll show you that as well. For the time being, here it's telling me that a firmware update needs to be done. I will not do it because I do not have any connection between my phone and the controller, and the update itself is asking to update the controller itself. So at this moment, I'm not going to do this for the sake of the video. So now what I'm going to do is we will just enter the device like it says right here. It says new firmware found, but I'm not going to update yet because I have updated in the past many times. So I'm just going to click on that. Okay. So now what do we got? We have nothing. we don't have any yeah, so we're gonna go to the settings to see if we have any flight logs recorded. So we'll go here, flight log. It's telling me no flight log. Okay, so what we're gonna do in order to be able to see what's going on in the drone, to verify what's in the black box, I would have to have some kind of communication between my phone and the drone itself, and obviously right now I don't, because it seems like the cable itself is defective. Either it's the cable or the controller, but I don't think it's the controller, because I did charge the controller itself and I was able to charge, and I was able to charge my phone as well with a different kind of cable, so I'm suspecting it's the cable. So right now what we're gonna do is we're gonna do a test flight just to do it live. So we're gonna first start up the propellers. Okay, now I don't know if I have GPS, so what I'm gonna do is we're gonna go in the back, and 1 second, we're gonna leave the camera here. 1 second. We'll do that again. Okay, and we're gonna fly it. What the hell? I'm a little scared of this drone, because it sometimes has its own mind, but let me get into the picture for a second, because I'm having a little bit of difficulties here. Anyways, just to show that the drone is flying. Okay, it is flying, and what I'm gonna do is just we'll land it right here. I gotta be careful for the table. We're gonna land it on the grass and just land it. We're gonna land it right there. Okay, so now I'm gonna bring this back here. We're gonna get our beautiful Fimi X8 mini drone. We're gonna put it here. Okay, so now we should have a flight log. Obviously, let's go back again here. I hope I'm doing a screen recording, because I'll be very upset if I'm not. Yes, it is recording. Okay, great. So we'll go back into the app. Okay, and we're gonna go again and look for the aircraft flight log, and we go back here where it says flight log, and it says no flight log. Great. Now what I'm gonna do is this. We're gonna shut this off. One, two, and the third one. Okay, we got it. We're gonna shut this off. We're gonna oh shit, sorry about that. We're gonna disconnect that, put that here, put that there. Now we're gonna turn off the drone, and we're gonna go in the back, and we have a little switch here. Put it on Wi-Fi. Very, very difficult. I don't have anything pointy. 1 second. We gotta put on Wi-Fi. Jesus Christ, it's very difficult. Okay, it's on Wi-Fi. Okay, so now I have to turn on the drone. Okay, okay, so we have to we turn on the drone, and now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna enter the device. However, I must be connected first. So let's try to find the Wi-Fi. We're gonna turn off my Wi-Fi, turn it back on. There we go. Now we have the Fimi X8 mini Wi-Fi. Let's see if it connects. Hopefully it will, because I already put in my password. Okay, it's connected. Great. So now we're gonna go into the app. We're gonna enter the device. We have video, so we're gonna go in that direction, like that, or actually like that. Okay, so now we're gonna go into this flight logs by going into the maintenance mode, flight logs, and it says, what does it say? It says no local flight logs. Okay, we have GPS signal, no flight logs, nothing whatsoever. So today's video is basically to show the issue that I'm having. I have no FPV through the controller, because obviously I believe the cable is defective, and also, as you could see, that the flight logs are not being recorded at all. So I do not have anything to show to Fimi, because there's obviously some kind of problem with the drone itself. So that being said, I will close this video and hope for a next better video.